started with an incident, and because of that incident, I lost my teachings with drums and flute. And then out of the blue, TVMS came and said, would you like to do flute and drums with us? So I started with lessons, and then a few weeks later with flute we also introduced the baritone sax with flute, and then that led to joining the jazz collective on a Wednesday, doing jazzy pieces, and you do your part and everyone else does their part, and at the end of the day it's all nice. It brings, in a way, peace, where you just sit down or stand up or whatever, play a nice piece of music, and it, especially with like the flute, if you know the flute and you get that softness out of it, it's lovely. And also with flute, TVMS have an orchestra, and I joined that. Love it. Went to Spain earlier this year, so 30 hours on a bus. 3 nights, 3 wonderful places. A cathedral, a theatre, and then a castle, and it was just lovely. What came with it is, before you like performed and before you practiced, you could go around and explore and take photos, buy stuff. You could do all that, and then on the night play, get used to it, and it was just the atmosphere, the hotel, it was all lovely. I would go again, certainly.